We are hosting our first ever neighborhood Easter egg hunt, so I volunteered to fill up and hide all of the eggs in our yard. So we have like well over 100 little Easter eggs to fill up with toys and candy, so let's do it. Successfully filled all of my eggs. We have so many. Now it's time to hide them. Jesse's just dropping two.
How cool would it be if we found two? Isn't it funny that this is what parents used to do? They go, that's good. I just fucking exploded.
When you were a kid, there's no better feeling than it being Easter and you walk out and you see like tons of pastel eggs in the yard. And come on, Easter Bunny, show me your hop.
Use some hops. Boing, boing. We don't even have kids.
Woo! I don't have kids, so this is how you participate as a good neighbor.
Go to the tall grass. And just chuck one over there. One over there. Good luck, kids. Oh, look. It blends in with the rocks. Oh, look. It's in the tree. Good luck finding that one. Oh, look. It's in the sticker bush. I'm having fun. I found a chuck-it ball. I got one last one. Last one.
I'm going to put it in there. You have to remember this, though, because if no one finds it, we have to find it.
May the best Easter egg hunter win.